Hey, good morning, Christy. This is Tim Border at JH Barkau and Sons in Cedarville. You asked me about the condition of the 2011 Chevy Traverse 2LT, so I thought this would be the easiest way to do it. I'll do a little walk around on it for you, and I'll point out there's just a couple little minor things on it. The vehicle's actually in excellent condition. It's been through our service department, lube, oil, filter, brakes have been done, new battery in it. It's been fully cleaned and detailed. Super nice truck. It's one that we've had for a little while. That's why we've reduced the price of it, and now it's one of our Internet One price specials at only $11,452. So it does have the fog lights with the daylight running lights. There's some scuffs right here, but they have been touched up. New tires with aluminum alloy wheels. This is a front-wheel drive model. There's a little scratch right here on the door that may buff out. Has 7-passenger seating, the 3.6-liter V6. Has a hitch for the tow cover, but it does not have the trailering package on it. It's silver ice metallic. A couple little scuffs and scratches here. Like I say, some of that may buff off. Then there's another little spot right here where somebody's bumped something on the front corner. This is actually sitting right outside my front door, outside the window of my office. That first window right there, that's my office. $131,000 miles. Power driver seat, leather seats, automatic transmission, heated seats, AM/FM radio with navigation, and the touchscreen. Backup camera, power lift gate, StabiliTrak control, automatic headlamps, dome light, your dimmer switch, cruise control, your Bluetooth hands-free phone control. This does also have OnStar. You get that free for 90 days. Home link for your remote garage door opener. Has the Bose audio system. Factory remote start. Also has XM satellite radio on it. You get that free for 90 days. Has the factory installed DVD headrest, 2 pairs of headphones, rear heat and air controls, the 7-passenger seating, rear heat and air, dual DVD headrest. All the seats fold down for easy access. There's your backup camera, power lift gate. All of the floor mats are with it. Your rear control button. Very nice vehicles. Great. We sell a lot of them. Great safety ratings on these also. You have driver and passenger front airbags. You also have side thorax airbags here. You also have side curtain airbags. There's the other set of DVD headphones. Vehicles are a little bit dirty where the feet have been because we've moved them. If you see our lot, everything's packed in here, so every time it snows, we move cars a lot. And we've had to move everything a lot this winter. The extra set of keys, the remote for the headrest, the instructions for them. So, super nice car. Your center console. Your armrest slides forward, and you have the button and more storage inside. So, I hope this helps. You have a little console up here. It has your USB auxiliary input in it. You also have an input for an MP3 player. So I hope this helps. Let me know if there's any other information that you'd like. Again, this is our 2011 Chevrolet Traverse 2LT, heated leather, 131,000-ish miles, front wheel drive in silver ice metallic. If you have any questions, let me know. Text or email works. You can reach me at 815-718-9288. 815-718-9288. Have a great Tuesday. Bye.